Hi all, welcome back in my shop. Today I want to share with you the progress I made on CNC machine, and I also work with a drill press here, and it's a very practical tool, and I save a lot of time regarding the drilling operation and the tapping. In a previous step of the manufacturing of the CNC machine, I needed to unscrew and disassemble all the plates and then to reassemble after the drilling and tapping operation. With the magnetic drilling machine, it's not the case. The process I use is the following. I create a small jig that you can see here with my lathe. It's just, a ring, a piece of metal, and it get inside the hole of the machine like that. So it can enter in the hole, and I use it to center the drill bit precisely on the hole I want to make. And you can see that the drill bit can go through this jig. So after centering the drilling machine with the jig, I put a magnet on, and in this situation the drilling machine cannot move anymore. So I have recorded the position thanks to this process. Then the following step, I use a small drill bit. Like any kind of drilling operation, you start with a small drill bit. Then I go through with a bigger one, and the final size that I need to make the tapping operation. Then I use a type guide and this kind of thing, and I don't know if you can see the tip, but the tip can move, and there is a spring behind the tip. So I use it inside the magnetic drilling machine to be sure that the tap is perfectly aligned with the hole. So it's a good way to keep the tap and the hole aligned. When I start to make the tapping operation, I use a small wrench like this one to turn, and I make 3 or 4 turns to be sure that the tap is engaged inside the hole, and then I use the tap wrench, and it's more easy for that. And to use the tap wrench, I have to disconnect the power to the magnetic feet, then to remove the drill bit. And when this operation is done, I can install a screw. So I will zoom on a machine and show you the work I made on the Y plates on the CNC machine with this kind of process. So at the beginning I had a small learning curve, and I spent let's say between 10 and 15 minutes for making the drilling operation, the tapping operation. And after having improved the process, like I explained just before, I just spent between 5 or 7 minutes to make the drilling and the tapping operation. So it's I save a lot of time to make a drill. So I will close the camera and show you the result I have.